When you first start, you can begin posting content right away, or go ahead and organize your site and design the look and feel of it. We'll start posting some content, show you how that works. Alright, when we first come here, you'll have some instructions at the top. You can hide those. You'll see the default template here that you can play around with some sample images and some sample text. You can change these to whatever you like. And go ahead and play around with it a bit. And just hit Save Page. Just save any changes. Click Publish there, and you'll see the link to view the page. And there's your page. It's all ready to go. And you'll notice everything you make with Simplpost is automatically responsive. So it's going to look great on any mobile device, tablet, phone, whatever, or on a large laptop screen like this. If you'd like a different look, you can instantly load a template. We'll go with like a 3-column layout here. And that'll just get you started. There's again some sample content to play around with. And you can delete any of this if you want. You'll notice there's a trash can down the bottom. Just drag it over there and let go. And if you want to add new content, just click that there. Add some new content. All kinds of things you can add. Let's add an image. Images, you can bring them in from Facebook, Dropbox, Instagram, wherever you like. Or load them from your phone or your computer. Let's pick this one there. And there it is. Just hit save, and we'll view our new page there. Now if we go back to the design, this is where we can actually kind of build our site. You can start with the logo, just have a basic text logo, but if you do have an image of your logo for your website, you can just upload that, come back and change it anytime, or have no logo if you're just going for a minimal look and you don't want anything there at the top of the page. We'll save that, and then you can always just have one home page and build off that, but if you'd like to, it's easy to add a couple other pages, and you can always change these or add more at any time. So we'll save that. Now if you want, you can just load a style here, which has all the fonts and colors already put together for you. Some of these shared ones, they'll look pretty nice. You can look through here, and if you see one you like, just click on that, and it'll load all those settings. And then it takes you to the next page here, which is under the site options. This is where you can tweak all the details of each of those settings. You can customize the colors, make whatever you want, change the general layout or the main navigation links. There's a lot of different options here. We can load in, some fun colors if you want. You can just automatically generate a random set of colors that look nice together. Or we can just go back something basic. You can tweak all the colors here. Just select whatever you want to do, and then just play with the color wheel here. It's no problem. Background images. There's hundreds of background images you can choose. Fonts. We have some nice fonts to start you off with, but if you want to get more advanced, you can go in here and customize fonts all you want. There's some really interesting ones to choose. You can play around with any of these. And there's some other sections here of settings that you can play around with. Things like if you want to show instructions or have sample images and sample text show up. It's usually nice to have that in the beginning, but at some point you might want to come back in here and adjust those settings. So we want to apply that, and here we go. So we'll see we changed the font there. Something a little different. But yeah, there's all kinds of templates. Like say if we want to have a blog, we'll make our front page a blog. Let's go ahead and just apply that, and here we go. We got some sample blog posts going. And if we want to, adjust that blog post, just go in here and, give it whatever title we want. And click Published. And there we have our blog post is live and ready to go. There again is our home page. Now if you go to the page and it's not published yet, you should get the error message that it hasn't been published. So only published content will be publicly visible. Everything in the admin interface is only seen if you're logged into your account, which you simply go to simplepost.com/your account name and interface. That's the admin interface for your site. And you can always go to simplepost.com and click the login link, which will take you right to your site. If you forget that link, you can get to it from any computer. And let's see, we have some page options here where we can tweak the layout. If we just want to manually do it, we can do here. There's a 2-column layout, and there we go. We can just put the photo over there of 2 columns. Looks really nice. And again, this is the admin interface is responsive as well. So if you want to do this on a tablet or your phone, you can totally do that. It is a little easier on a larger screen just because you have more to work with. But yeah, if you're on the go and just want to upload some photos, edit a blog post or do something new, you can totally do that from anywhere on any device. And back under page options, there's also colors. You can customize here. Each page can have its own custom color palette if you like. Also background images, which can be fun. So again, you can bring in images from anywhere. And this is going to let you take high quality. For the background images, you can do up to 1280 wide pixel dimensions. And click that. Takes a second for it to upload. And then you'll see, there we go. We got the background image there. And if you do want to take up the entire thing and like cover up the head navigation, or it could be on the side depending on where you put it, just check the option there to save it, and it's all encompassing. Go look at our page, and there we go. That, I don't know if that's the best design there, but you get the idea. So back here under page options, we have some other stuff here, which if you do want to make text more draggable, then here you go, you can do this option here. Notice though, when you do make it more draggable like that, you can't highlight. If you try to highlight it, you're going to be dragging the text. So that's one option that currently works like that. Again, you just uncheck that, and there you go. You'll see below that there, if you do want, right now it's just by default in plain text, but if you're familiar with Markdown, that's an easy way to format, do bold, links, center text, what have you, real super easy. There's details in the help menu that show you exactly how to do all that with Markdown. Or if you know HTML and prefer that, you can do that option as well. And that way, anything in these text boxes then are going to be in that format. So you can just go crazy there. If you want to do something like post a YouTube video or something, all you have to do is post the YouTube URL. You don't have to worry about the embed code. It'll automatically embed a YouTube video for you automatically. Yeah, you have our account page here, which we have some other things that are interesting. You see our plans now. The free accounts let you do some things, but if you want all the premium options and really want to format your site and do some custom, you do need to upgrade to a plan that fits your needs. Here you can set your email address, your PayPal if you're going to be selling things and have an online store. You can change your password. There's also analytics settings. So if you want to use Google Analytics to get a full details on everything that's going on with your site as far as traffic, that's great. It's a free service. Just sign up from Google Analytics and get that ID number. Just paste it in there and hit save. And then if you want to transfer your site, currently the two options are Amazon CloudFront, which is super fast cloud hosting, distributed around the world, which is awesome. And then also you can just FTP your site to any server, which is a very common way to transfer sites around. So that's full freedom there. When you go in there, you can set up all your domains. You can run a Simplpost site on any domain you want. And if you sign up for your account, we'll even give you a free domain name that you can use for that. And then there's backup and exporting. So you're always able to export anything you create in Simplpost. You can simply use it as a tool to create your site and then export the HTML and CSS and do whatever you want with it, customize it, go crazy. If you are advanced like that and do know how to code in HTML, you can go into the advanced page options for a pro account or above and customize everything, which enables you to customize the Simplpost interface as well as your site and really have full control. But that's for the people that are comfortable with that. It is kind of advanced, and regular users might not need that. So you can just go with a basic personal account if you don't need any of those advanced options. But yeah, just click Edit Site to go back, and you'll notice in the Help menu, we do have some quick tutorial videos for each part of making a site with Simplpost that'll get you started. But if you want to get the full FAQ, just hit Get More Help there. And you'll notice we have lots of frequently asked questions that explain everything about Simplpost. It is a totally new interface, so there is a slight learning curve, but really give it about an hour or so, watch a couple of videos and read through here. In about an hour or so, you should be able to make a fairly advanced site with Simplpost, even if you've never made a website before. You really don't need any experience with other sites like WordPress or what have you, because those are really done a different way. Simplpost was made to be very simple and unique in the way it works. And you'll see there's also video guides here. They'll show you anything. And if there's anything just not covered, you have any questions at all, just feel free at any time. You can email us at help@simplepost.com or just fill out the help request form. So include your email address just so we can get back to you. That'll be auto-filled if you filled it out in your account settings. And just type whatever you need, and we'll be glad to help you out with it. We are working on more videos, so at this time, not everything is covered in the help section. And so basically, if you submit a help request, that's just going to add to the resource, and we'll know it's something that we can, other users will be able to take advantage of as well. So please feel free, anything you want to do with your site, and you can pretty much do anything with Simplpost. So if you can't figure it out right away, just feel free to ask us, and we'll be glad to help you out and show you how to do it. And as far as setting up your domain, all that, like, so we take care of all that. So you never have to worry about any of the DNS settings or name servers. Like, if you'd like, we're glad to do a full service, all-in-one package for you and your website to get you quickly set up and started. And so there's a few things that, for a brand new website, if you want it on your own domain, that will, it takes a little time, but we'll get you set up as soon as possible. And yeah, just happy and appreciate you checking out Simplpost. So look forward to hearing more from all of you. Thanks for watching.